Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Pastry brush. Upgraded one-piece design and stainless steel core technology. Owing to one-piece design, the silicone bristles will not break or shed in your food, unlike other bristle brushes. No bacteria will be stuck in the silicone basting brush and keep your food safe. The handle, built with internal steel core, results in a solid durability to our basting oil brush. It is also long enough to get a firm grip, never break and rust. Premium silicone, heat-resistant food dehydrator machine. 10 presets customization. This electric food dehydrator features 10 preset programs for effortless operation. Easily select the precise time and temperature using the LED control panel. Customize settings to suit various food types, ensuring the best taste and retaining the food's original flavor. With a timer range of 1 to 48 hours and temperatures from 165 degrees Fahrenheit, it adapts perfectly to your needs. The automatic shut-off function ensures safety and consistent results, requiring minimal supervision for worry-free food dehydration. Powerful 850W with efficient airflow. Equipped with an 850W heating element and a rear-mounted fan, this jerky dehydrator ensures powerful heat distribution and horizontal air circulation for consistent, even drying. Enjoy faster dehydration and superior results while saving energy. Make hand blender. Hand blender set. The 7-in-1 immersion blender set comes with 2 blades, stainless steel 4-leaf blade and ice crusher blade, and features unique bell guard that safeguards non-stick cookware from scratches and reduced suction, prevents food splatters. Emulsions blender also includes 500ml chopper, 20-aughts measuring cup, whisk, milk frother, accessories holder, and 5 feet power cord. Powerful performance and durable. 800-watt. Heaviest dust copper motor paired with 2 professional titanium steel 4-blade and ice crush blade rotation system can handle the toughest blending tasks effortlessly. One-touch rice cooker. Multifunctional use. Whether you are in the mood for a hearty jambalaya, steamed veggies and rice, or even a fluffy cake, yes, cake, you can accomplish it all with your ARC 7216NG cooker. The possibilities are as creative as you are. Capacity dimensions. The ARC 7216NG has a 32-cup cooked capacity, yielding anywhere from 4 to 32 cups of cooked rice, and measures 11.8 by 10.6 by 13.9. BPA-free. 10.00V. User-friendly programming. This product is also a proud member of our set it and forget it mentality. This product is easy to use with one-touch operation that switches to keep warm automatically once cooking is finished, allowing you the freedom to take back your time instead of worrying while you cook. Accessories. This pot-style rice cooker includes a non-stick inner pot, rice measuring cup, and a plastic rice spatula. Batter dispenser. Sturdy and unbreakable. Ibeo batter dispenser is newly upgraded to sturdy and drop-resistant ABS material, so you don't have to worry about using it a few times before it is damaged. Don't have to worry about it being broken due to transportation, and don't have to worry about the dispenser falling from the tabletop anymore. The internal mixer system. Ibeo pancake batter dispenser has a built-in manual metal whisk. Just give the easy-to-use mixer a quick turn or two, and the internal whisk will do the rest. The last batch of pancakes will be just as perfect as the first. Automatic pot stirrer. Patented hands-free stirring. Stirs your soups, stews, risottos, chili, polenta, sauces, caramelized onions, cheese curds, and much more to your desired creaminess and consistency. Gently sweeps the pot bottom and prevents food burning and pot scorching. Self-adjusts to full range of pot sizes, 6 to 9 inches in diameter and 3 to 9 inches in depth. Quiet high-torque motor stirs for up to 10 hours per charge, depending on food viscosity, with only 1 hour recharging. Can also be plugged in for continuous operation. Variable speed operation with max speed 1.5x faster than previous generation StirMate. Attachments available: stainless steel stirrer, thermometer kit, and OMNAXL extra large pot, up to 6-gallon stirrer. Sold separately. The Stirmate Omni XL stainless steel stirring attachment for wide and deep pots up to 5-gallon sizes. Melting pot. Temperature display. No additional thermometer is needed to help control the temperature of the wax. The wax melting machine will display real-time temperature numbers on the monitor, simplifying the candle making process and improving your work efficiency. Meat tenderizer. Chef-grade meat tenderizer. The meat tenderizing tool easily slices through meat to create tiny heat channels without change the shape or appearance of the meat. The channels tenderize the meat while also providing greater absorption of marinade or spice and lowering cooking times up to 40%. Increases flavor and tenderness of all cuts of meat. High quality and great design. Meat tenderizing tools are manufactured with high-quality 48 stainless steel blades with hard texture, durable to use without corrosion and rust. Blades are sharpened on both sides for prolonged performance that stays sharp even after frequent use. ABS grip with human engineering principle bring you much convenience, let you easy to hold, and keep a good mood to cooking. Meat thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions: meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From BBQ thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, BBQ, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy Read digital thermometer for mini bag sealer. Our core advantage: this mini bag sealer is the only one on the market that charges via USB-C port. This unique feature eliminates the hassle of searching for cords, as opposed to other similar products that use micro USB or batteries. With the USB-C interface, all your devices can share the same charging cable, making charging much more convenient. 2-in-1 sealer and cutter. This sealer is an indispensable kitchen accessory, capable of cutting and resealing plastic bags and food storage pouches, providing a more efficient solution than bag clips. It is compact and easy to carry, making it convenient for use on the go. Seal various bags. The heat sealer is suitable for various types of bags. It can quickly reseal food storage bags, chip bags, fruit bags, and candy bags in seconds, keeping them airtight. Chopsticks. Made of superior bamboo, healthy bamboo chopsticks, no paint, no wax. 22.5 centimeters length, fits for most people to use, non-slip design. Beginners can also use them very well. Classic Japanese minimalism style print at the end, smooth surface, comfortable hand feeling, durable and sturdy. Unique design and colors, come with gift box, a good choice for gifts or household use. Everyone will happy to get them. Dishwasher safe, avoid being kept in the microwave oven. Disinfection cabinets, high temperature or exposure under sunlight. Easy to clean, reusable chopsticks, you can use them for years.